welcome back to my channel on ferilsmadworld, and this is Feril. Well, this vlog is exciting because I am at a very unique place. Why do I call it unique? Because it's a place where it's a cafe and you can have your car spa at the same time. You don't have to wait, so while you're snacking, your car is cleaned. I really love this 2-in-1 concept, so by the time my car is being washed, I have my snacks and my milkshake. This wonderful 2-in-1 place is called Piccolo Addis. It's located on Bole Road on the street to Yod Abyssinia Cultural Restaurant. It is a cool place to hang out, and the cleaning of car is done by the cleaning hub. It has modern and fast cleaning, and you won't believe that it takes only 20 minutes for your car spa. They use professional cleaning tools from Germany, and this makes it 100% safe and perfect for your car. Friends, do you know that in most of the places where you clean your car, they don't do deep internal cleaning, but at this place the cleaning hub does it all. Look at this. So after the car wash, now the car is going to go for the vacuum cleaning. So friends, this is the only place in Addis Ababa who does such a deep cleaning of the car, from the outside to the inside to the bonnet, everywhere. So it's a real spa for your car. I am enjoying the car spa. And it would be really nice if you can let me know from which country you're watching the vlog. Believe me when I say good products make a huge difference, and you can be assured that with cleaning hub your car are in good hands. So friends, I got my car done, and you won't believe me the price. It's only for $4. That is not even 200 bir. Isn't that amazing? And he cleaned my car thoroughly. I'm so happy about it. Friends, this is such a fantastic place. They have so much of options here. This is how the menu card looks. So they have fried options, they have pizzas, they have breakfast options, they have burgers, they have chicken options, toast options, and many more things. But since I'm vegetarian, I would be just having my milkshake and my juice. So my milkshake is here. It's really nice and refreshing. I love it. So friends, this place is amazing because you don't have to wait in a long queue to get your car washed while you're snacking. Your car is washed and you're good to go. I am really enjoying this place, and I hope you have enjoyed the video too. So if you like the content, you know what to do, right? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell button. I would be bringing out more exciting vlogs like this. So stay tuned. Watch me every Tuesday, 12:30 PM GMT +3. Ethiopia's time. Signing off for now. Ciao.